So this past summer, I wanted to get into the pickleball craze. So I bought this awesome beginner pickleball set. This comes with 4 paddles, a carrying case, got 4 towels, and then 4 pickleballs. So I've only used this for 2 players so far, but I really like that it comes with 4 paddles, so you can play with 4 people. This is an awesome beginner set. I didn't want anything too expensive or too crazy because we're just learning the game. So if you're new to this sport, this is perfect for what you need. It's got everything. And I really like that it comes with a nice carrying case. So when you're done, you just throw everything in your bag, pack up, and you're ready to go. And the most important part of this set is obviously the paddle. This is made of a pretty sturdy basswood. It's got a nice grip on the bottom here, and we've used this a couple times, and we've played a few hours with these, and they've held up very well.